What's up, ducks? Last time Temu really surprised me, so today I'm going for round 2. I ordered cheap Temu party dresses for under 22 euros that look way too good to be true. So the real question is, are these party dresses glam or an absolute sham? Let's find out. Alright, let's see what's on the menu. First we have the sexy bodycon party dress for which I paid almost 7 euros. I have it in black, although it also comes in red and blue. Here are the product pictures. Okay, so it really reminds me of the red dress I tried in the previous video. It just had that cutout detail on the chest, but I think it's going to be pretty much the same. Yeah, I think I know what to expect. Let's see what actually showed up. Aha! Here's the dress. Alright, so here's a closer look of the fabric. So it does come with those silver tiny little sparkles, and then it has these cape sleeves. I have it in size medium, as probably all of the dresses. If not, I will let you know. And the fabric is really stretchy, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be comfortable to get into this dress. So yeah, I'm just a little bit concerned about the length though, because that's the most common issue that I have with all of the dresses. Alright, so let's go ahead, put you on and see if you're glam or sham. The dress is so glam, it took the tights out. I just ripped the tights. But the show must go on, right? So, here's the dress. That's the front, the side, and the back. This dress literally reminds me of the red dress I tried in the previous Temu haul. It does have these silver tiny little sparkles, and I love the way they reflect in the light. It already makes the dress so festive and glam. I have this dress in size medium, so I would say it runs true to size. The only issue that I have with the dress is the length. It does feel too short for me, and it barely covers my butt. It's not cool. Does the dress look like in the product picture? I would say yes, it does. I don't have her waistline, but everything else looks pretty much the same. In case you sweat, then you dance, your armpits can't breathe. I love a dress with good air conditioning. So overall speaking, I think this could be a potential party dress that you could, wear and make the most of it. I think the dress does look dainty and feminine. It's just the fabric. It is a little bit see-through, and the dress itself is just too short on me. But it might be my problem, not yours. Depends how tall you are. It is a nice dress. The only question I have is, when you wash the dress, do those silver glitters stay or go? Because if they stay, then that's... What's with you, buddy? Do you have zoomies? This is such a wrong time.
You forgot to feed me.
Bless you. This dress is a good deal, but if it doesn't, then that's for one-time use only. Just to wrap it up, the only issue that I have with this dress is the length. It's just way too short for me and you can't deny it. But as the first dress for the haul, I don't think it's too bad. What do we think? Is it glam or sham? Because for me personally, I would say it is glam. It's just the length that makes it sham. Whoa! Yo, should I stay or should I go? If I go, there will be trouble. And if I stay, it will be double. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Alright, let's see what do we have next. Next is this elegant one-shoulder draped cocktail dress with side sequin detail, for which I paid almost 8 euros. I have it in red, although it also comes in black. And oh, what is going on with her face? She changes the face. Yeah, well, that's not creepy at all. It has that draping thing on the hip. It adds a little bit of drama to the dress. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's gonna come in this shiny, sparkly fabric. So, let's see what showed up. Here she is. So. Yeah, it comes with this one sleeve. So far, so good. It does look like in the product picture. And it does come in this shiny fabric, which is good. I don't know, I just really hope that it's gonna look nice on my body. Yeah, so I really wonder what's the hype about this dress, because it has many sales and looks like many people like it. Let's go ahead, pop it on and see if it's glam or sham. Let's do that. And here's the dress. Here's the front, the side, and the back. And I have zero complaints about the length in this dress. I like it that it comes with this curtain. It's like the show is on and off, I don't have any complaints when it comes to length in this dress. I think it's in the right length. Maybe it could be just teeny bit longer, but it's way better than in the black dress. Taking into consideration how much I pay for the dress, it is beautiful. However, there's one huge but. That does not sound right. This dress is very see-through. Why is it so see-through? That ruins the whole party. Hopefully, if you wear something lighter underneath, could fix the entire see-throughness problem. Because if not, then this dress would be a party pooper. Other than that, I do like that it has these silver sparkles. It is a shiny material, which is nice. It comes with this curtain. You can play with it a little bit if you want. And I love it that there's one long sleeve, and so that this arm can, you know, breathe and be free, while this one cannot. It is another dress that will make you keep your belly sucked in. It is what it is. It is a bodycon dress. It's supposed to be tight fit and hugging. It is quite plain on the belly area, so there is no ruching, nothing. It's just flat. And I don't really know if I like it. I think it's way more flattering than there is some ruching along the waist area, so that you can just readjust it as you wish, and you don't look like a sausage. You know? And yeah, I would say it does look like in the product picture, doesn't it? So, it's not a scam. It is an unusual dress because it's asymmetrical, it has this curtain on the hip, it has a personality. You know, it's giving that living la vida loca. So you will have bonita moments and local memories in this dress. The dress is not meant to blend in, and I like it, I'm here for it. Why would you want to blend in with the rest of the world? Nah. I think it's not too bad for something under 10 euros. So let's just hope that light underwear would sort everything out. But what do we think? Is it glam or sham? Let me know. And next we have this off-shoulder split tie dress, for which I paid 13 euros. I have it in color green, but it also comes in red, black and blue. Let's check the product pictures. I mean, gonna be honest with you, I'm really skeptical that you can get something like this as it's shown for only 13 euros, but we will see. So yeah, it looks, ooh, look at that booty. Delicious. Let's see its true colors. Quite heavy. Oh, it has a zipper. Shocker. I wasn't expecting a zipper for some reason in this dress. So yeah, it is a maxi dress. Here she is. It's quite long. Once I put it on, you will see what I mean by saying that. And here's a closer look. Yes, it comes with this zipper, which was a surprise to me because I didn't expect that for 13 euros. But it does look shiny as it's shown in the product pictures and quite stretchy, which is good. I really don't know what to expect. It is quite a long dress. Let's go ahead, pop it on and see if it's glam or sham. Okay, is everyone ready to see the dress? Ta-dam! First of all, this dress is very tight and very long. Was the dress very long in the product pictures as well? It clearly shows that the dress is actually very long. So, it's on me. That's how the dress looks from the front, from the side, and from the back. I tried to look at the mirror and see if the fabric can be see-through, but I don't really think that it is. The only thing that drives me nuts a little bit is that it's really, really tight. It's so tight you can even see the tag and even the seam of my tights. So that's how tight the dress is. So it might be not everyone's cup of tea. And I think this time I would prefer coffee instead of tea if this was the green tea. The fabric is really, really soft though, so it's just really, really pleasant to wear this dress. That's the dress, that's how it looks in real life. There's definitely has to be a certain occasion and destination where you wanna wear a dress like this. It definitely makes your booty pop out. It also makes other things to pop out. I'm not sure. It didn't sound right. But I just don't know how I feel about this dress on my body. It also has a very high slit, but not too high, that would reveal too much. I guess that's another good thing about the dress, but yeah. By itself, it's very elegant, it's very feminine, dainty, it's body-delicious. If it looks delicious. Oh, I think that if the dress had inner lining and wasn't so tight, then that would be a completely different story. By itself, it's not too bad for 13 euros. Pff, you gotta be kidding me. It's all right. Could perfectly work for a photo session taking pictures. Like, yes. But in real life, this is not the most comfiest dress. So what do we think? Is it glam or sham? Alright, moving on to the next dress. And next is this elegant off-shoulder beaded slim fit slim dress for which I paid almost 14 euros. I have it in black, although it also comes in red. As I mentioned earlier, Temu does like to sparkle their dresses a little bit. And yeah, very elegant, very feminine. And oh, look at that slit. It does look hot. Hottie, 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 hottie. So I'm excited to see what showed up. Wow. And it's a positive wow. These beads, they look so cute and very well made. I could have never guessed that this came from Temu. But another question is, how is it actually going to look once you put it on? Might be a completely different story. Here's a closer look of the fabric. So it's nothing groundbreaking about the material itself. It's just a black fabric, which is, by the way, not see-through at all. So huge thumbs up. Now the inside looks like this. So those beads, they aren't sewn. They aren't like holding on threads or something. These tiny little metal things are holding the beads. This is quality. Wow. All right, I really want to see how she's going to look once I put it on. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Okay, and yet here's the dress. So here's the front, the side, and the back. And I'm gonna rotate back at you and say this. It is a beautiful dress, but I don't think it's for me. I feel like in the slit area, it's just too high. If the wind blows, it's just too much, no? But I do like the beads. That's a closer look of the beads, of the fabric, of the slit. It is elegant and feminine, but it's just something about the slit in this dress that drives me nuts. Now when I check the product pictures, the slit is as high as shown here. Okay, maybe it's supposed to look and be like that. But yeah, I would say that for a dress which is under 20 euros is not too bad, really. And another thing I really like about the dress is that the fabric is not see-through. Yeah, this dress doesn't come with any zippers, but I don't think that such is needed. It was really easy to get into this dress, which is good. It is a really stretchy fabric, but you don't want to stretch too much because your below will come out. And I don't know if you want that or not. I don't. If I decide to keep it, I would definitely cut this tag off. So yeah, that's what we have. That's what showed up. It is a very elegant feminine dress. It's just really, really tight, and that the slit is too wide and high. So what do you think, Dex? Is she a glam or sham? I'm gonna take the heels off and rest my feet. Next is this elegant single shoulder sequin dress, for which I paid almost 22 euros. And I have it in blue, but it also comes in black. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. It's not gonna be a regret. It is a very glam dress, but let's see if it's glam or sham in real life, shall we? So here she is. This is such a beautiful color. So it comes with the zipper in the back, and the front looks like this. It does have this cutout on the chest. Oh, and on the back as well. I didn't notice that. And here's a closer look. The inside has this lining of the same color, which is, by the way, really, really soft. And yeah, it's quite thick. So let's go ahead, put it on and see how she looks. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this one must be my favorite dress from this haul. Voila! Look at all the glitters on this dress! This is actually a really beautiful dress. So this is the front, the side, and the back. And it's hitting all the sweet spots. Another blue diamond from Temu! I did need some help with the zipper in the back as I couldn't get into the dress by myself, so an extra hand might be needed. I have her in size medium. I would say she runs true to size. Everything feels nice. And here's a closer look of the fabric. So it has all of these blue, beautiful glitters. It's not see-through. Yeah, the slit in the back is just as I wanted it to be. It's not too high, so thumbs up for that. It is a really stunning dress that will make you stand out. I also think that it was a brilliant idea to add this cutout detail on the chest and on the back. It gives that something to the dress, doesn't it? And I just can't get enough of this blue color. I'm definitely keeping this dress. It's a no-brainer. This is right up my alley. Upon checking the product pictures, the dress does look a little bit longer than it is on me. The model might be shorter, and maybe that's why the dress looks longer. And yeah, bravo, Temu. It's not too bad. It definitely met my expectations, that's for sure. I think this blue color is just perfect for winter parties. So pretty! Imagine yourself coming to the party and taking over the scene. Be like, waka maka dum 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 dum. Forget about that. So, what do we think? Is she glam or sham? Okay, that's it. My feet hurts. Alright, my ducks, I really hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. As always, I would love to know what do you think about all of these dresses. Which one do you think was glam or sham? And yeah, in case you spotted one that you like, I will try to link them all down below. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please give it a like and subscribe. Give me love. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Take care.